Today we're working on a parking area that's laid with some pavers. That's going to be a permeable situation here. We're going to be using GFTK products, the 835N, which is a two-part epoxy resin. And the purpose of that is that we're going to get some significant stability that's going to go inside the pavers. It's a product that's going to be able to still drain, and at the same time, the benefit is that it's durable enough that you can power wash it. You're not going to get any kind of vegetation growth up through it. Put this down in a slate color, see what kind of good contrast we get here. Again, this is Ryan from FC Pros, and thanks for watching today.
Alright, so we're about 4 hours later from when we started this morning. You can see we got all the joint material put in. Once again, we were using GFTK 835N two-part epoxy, some of the highest strength product that there is out there. Really good for parking areas, driveways, anything that is going to have high traffic. Also great for areas that are going to need a lot of high maintenance, maybe for power washing and cleaning. Not only is it really strong and looks great, but also it should offer us about 20 plus years worth of lifespan. So we're going to put it to the test here. You can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parking spots. Get some good traffic on this, and we'll keep you posted on how the life is going. Thanks again for watching.